Hey dudes and chicks and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Maybe Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be popping this Palettes Cherry. I'm going to be popping this Palettes Cherry, taking its little virginity. The color story looks like this or like this. And also I'm popping my Lethal Cherry. So Lethal is a virgin brand to me. So I'm going to be fucking the shit out of this thing today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, or hearing my final thoughts on the palette, or if you just like to watch, then hang out. I'm gonna start with my Wayne Goss number 19, and I'm gonna go into the color Power Up. I'm excited. I've never tried Lethal before, so I'll probably already say that in the intro, so I don't want to say it too many times, but okay, so they're buildable. I don't know why I was expecting something different. And then I'm going to go in with my Made by Mitchell ME3 into the color 8-bit. I feel like I'm going to go for the obvious look today just because I don't know. I basically got dressed for anything, but like once I looked at it, like those greens were just like screaming to me because I've been really into green lately, as you well know. Guess that means here shortly I'll be into everything. I'm just kind of going 50% on and 50% off as best as you can do that with these bigger brushes. Should I go with a little bit of pink in the inner corner? I think I'm going to. So yeah, I'm going to use my Zoeva 228 and I'm going to go into the color Insert Coin. And I'm going to use that to blend out the outer edge, but on the inner corner I'm going in with the pink. Well, it blends really nicely, but I feel like this yellow isn't really that pigmented, but maybe, no, I'm wrong. It's nice. It's nice. And actually, it's not really yellow, is it? Oh, there we go. I was just being a little bit too ginger with it. Oh yeah, that looks fucking baller. Oh yeah, that's nice. Going into 8-bit with a little sandwich action. I'm just gonna pull this out a little bit right here. Not too much. I don't want to cover up that neon green. That neon yellowy green is like basically my favorite so far. See if I can blend out that line right there. There we go. Nice. That looks beautiful. Super easy. Wow, that looks really good. Now I'm kind of wanting to go into the center with the yellow. I know what I'll do. I have to go into the middle with that yellow. It's just too fucking good. Yeah, and if you really pack it on, yeah, that's really fucking pretty. Going into 8-bit. And Power Up. And I'm barely touching that right there. Yeah, I'm not mad at this at all. And then back into Insert Coin. What's up, my girl?
Are you getting rid of any of your dressers?
No.
I thought you were.
I mean, maybe eventually, but do we have to have this talk right now?
Sorry.
Wow, that fucking blend. Yeah, I am totally not disappointed at all. I honestly expected, I don't know, I had high expectations and also like low expectations. I don't know. You could have both. It could be both. Okay, so what I'm gonna do on the lower lid is I'm gonna put the green on the right on the lash line. Oh, this is my Voldemorphy JH43. I should just start calling it they who not can be cannot be named, because honestly they're really like nameless of late. And then I'm gonna go into 8-bit, the green, the brighter green, and just blend it out. And then with my Crown C528 into insert coin, which is the neon greeny yellow. I'm really not blowing this out too much yet, which is what I always say. But I do like the way that looks. Yeah, I'm not gonna blow it out. I like it like precise like that. It looks cute. And then with my Kaleidos S5, I'm gonna go into combo. And I'm just gonna place that. Just a tiny, teeny, tiny. And then with my Crown C528, I'm gonna go back into insert coin and I'm going to blend that up. Cute. Which it's gonna get covered up, but here, let me see if I can just like, there, that looks adorable and perfectly blent. Now I'm going to use my Repper 21 to apply my NYX Glitter Primer. And with my Jessup 234. Okay, what? Okay, actually, I'm gonna use my Unearthly UC83, and I'm gonna go into the color High Score, and just put like the tiniest bit in the back, just because I just want to see. You can't really see what these duochromes look like when you just use the tiniest little bit like this, but I just want to look at it. And then pull it back. And then I'm going to go in with my Jessup 227 and I'm going to go into Avatar. And I'm going to place this. Ooh. You know, it's really on the center of the lid that you can always see like the shift the most. It's like right where the eyeball like goes out the most. It's like you can really see a shift. Now this color is like a green and blue, like baby blue speckles in the pan. And so I'm really curious to see, oh, cute, what it looks like on the lid. It definitely looks more baby blue, but maybe I'm just not seeing the green shift. Because it's green in the pan. I mean, it's fucking greeny green. I'm just fixing this line. Boom. Now I'm just going to go into, oh, that's called Final Boss. And then Avatar again. I'm just going to go into Avatar one more time because I really want to tap this out. Get any harsh lines. Pretty. And then with my Wayne Goss number 19, I'm going to go back into the darkest green, Power Up. Back into Avatar and just kind of, and then back into High Score, the dark one. Perfect. And then with my, ooh, this is a good one. I'm glad I have this. The UC86 Unearthly. I'm going to use split screen for my inner corner highlight. And I think I'm gonna try not to cover up that pink. So I'm just gonna go in, give it a little spritzy poo. Oh. Ooh, I don't know if I can stop myself. Cute. Okay. I can't stop. And then I'll just put that, I'll just use a little brow bone highlight, even though you're not really going to be able to see my brow bone because of my bangs. But I also don't want to cover up that neon yellowy green because that's actually my favorite so far. Wow, okay, I'm totally not pissed at this at all. I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So, this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in Electra, my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in Flipside on my waterline, and then my Lime Crime Wet Cherry gloss in Sour Cherry. And honestly, I thought about it. I could have just as easily worn Fluorescent Cherry and it would have looked just as good. And quite frankly, I mean, I might put it on later or take some pictures with it later, just because, I mean, well, obviously why. I use my Bitter Lace Beauty highlighter in Electric and my Melt Cream blusher in Polished. And I did that before. I probably would have chosen something different afterwards. I'm rarely satisfied with my blush color if I do it before I do my makeup. Anyways, my thoughts on the palette. It's really cute and it blends like a fucking dream. Now, I am going to say that the colors that I use, this particular color story is like famously easy to blend. So like there was no way I was gonna go wrong with this look. But having said that, like my blend is fucking, I mean, fantastic. It's like so good. And you guys know, like I can't stand not having a good blend. Oh, that looks cute. With the little split right there. What do you guys think of my bangs? Just kidding, I just did them for today. I just created them. I didn't cut them. I might cut them because they're in my eyes. But anyways, so yeah, I'm super happy with it. I feel like I would have gotten more payoff out of these. They look like duochromes. I'm pretty sure that they must be, but you can't tell. I can't see that much shift because I use too many colors, which is often the case, and I knew that was going to happen if I used more than 2 colors. So I'm really excited to see what this color can do by itself. And also, I am a little bit... I don't see the green in there at all, but maybe it's just my lighting and maybe I'll see it when I get outside. But I'm a little bit disappointed that I can't see the lime green in this color on my eyes, but it's probably just my lighting. So I probably just need to get a little bit darker lighting. Other than that, like I'm super stoked about the palette. I'm super stoked that this was my first purchase. I've been waiting for Lethal to come out with a color story that actually like really spoke to me. And so when I saw this one, I actually paid Federal Express to get it like as quick as possible. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look or if you dislike my sparkling personality and my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. If you got like halfway through this video and you were like, oh my god, this girl's so pretty till she opens her big fucking mouth, then go check me out on Instagram. I don't talk as much on Instagram. And if you were like, oh my god, Katie, don't sugarcoat it. Why don't you tell us how you really feel? Then go check out my Patreon because I don't hold anything back on my Patreon. I go live on Patreon every Sunday at 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which you never fucking hear, but that's my time. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later. Slayer.